morning. Yeah, quickly, how is everyone doing? So I'm just here and introducing, oh lord, I'm just here and introducing this vlog real fast. Welcome to a day in my life, a day in my boring life as someone that stays at home completely. So let's see how the day goes. I'm going to take the kids to school now, and I just had to cross check Iris lunch pack to make sure everything was intact because I didn't make it. Guys, I am so hungry, I am so sleepy. I don't know. Wala kamata afare biyan mata masu yin school runs. If you agree with me, let me know in the comment section. But it is a full-time job. Ya kamata afare biya, honestly. So I'm going to see you guys later. Today is one of those days. I drink 2 water because was it sha ruwa ɗaya ba baya isan shi kafin ya tashi. I really like that he loves to drink water. Someday I will show you what we pack. Maybe then you pack our lunchbox with us. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share. Just do it. Thank you. Ruby saw me shouting at her lovely, precious Arif, and she has been so sad. She doesn't even want to talk to me. I feel so bad. But we are entering my video. So guys, I am outside. I'm in the car. My neighbor sent that she wants to talk to me, so we are going to wait and hear. I hope it's good news. I hope it's about money. So I'm waiting to hear what she wants to tell me. Well, I'm at but I'm taking my kids to school. I don't want to waste my time. Jama, Uncle Arif wants to go and pee, so we are waiting again. This is a full-time job, as I said. So they are back. I am so hungry. This is so unlike me, but it is 8 a.m. now and I am super hungry. Oh Lord, have mercy. Well, I don't know what to eat. Let me call Altine to help me get something to eat. She didn't even know I came inside the house. Then I know that my dogs will not allow anyone to come in. Altine? Oh, kina nan ne? Me da wuce. Kun ga aikin da na zauna yi ko? I'm waiting for Altine to please try and chips for me. Look at what she wants me to eat. Look at what. Abincin na ya mun yawa. Hi my people. Ya kuke? I just came to say hi. I'm just lying down on this chair. I have nothing to do, like nothing. I finished eating and I'm still lying down. I've been watching a lot of videos about Palestine. So heartbreaking. Dama already I have scheduled contents on Instagram. I've already scheduled some of my contents. So I just went to reply comments. Rayuwan sai a hankali. I don't even know ko kuna gani na me kyau ko ba kwa gani na. So I have nothing doing. I want to stand up and make some orange juice for myself. I have some oranges at home and I don't want them to spoil, so I'll just make orange juice and maybe take pictures and post on my fresh page. That might go be Thursday, Friday. I want to start like advertising because my drinks will be available on Friday and Saturday. Gashi na jin bacci amma bana son yin baccin because if I sleep I cannot wake up to go and pick the kids from school. So sai an ji man dai kawai duk abin da ya faru I will let you know. Arif said he wanted some pizza his dad sent me money to buy him some pizza, but I didn't even place the order up till now. Na fi son sai zan fita a gida da, then I'll place the order for the pizza, and in muka dawo immediately sai mu zo mu samu pizza kawai a gida. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Hi guys, I'm just here to remind you to subscribe to my channel. I'm about to bath. This is like Zuhur time. I think it's 2:02. I want to bath before praying. For some reason, does it happen to anyone? Please let me know in the comment section. Well, I'm about the kind of sour. I don't know what to wear, honestly. But I don't ending up there. Hi guys, so finally I found something to wear. Like what I'm wearing right now, I think I wore it like 2 weeks ago. I'm not the only person that do this. If you guys are going to be realistic, I know it's not just a me problem. It's not very dirty. So I just wore it again. I'm going to go pick the kids now. I placed an order for some shawarma. They're going to bring it inshallah. And I ordered pizza for Arif. So muna dawowa zai zama an kawo inshallah. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm back inshallah. And if you guys did not see me, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, keep supporting my channel, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Now we make a video and my phone fell, so we had to. Guys, so I'm back now. I'm make a video ba. I came to my shawarma, and if you're on this channel, you know I love shawarma, and this shawarma is so nice. Shawarma is not that you guys can. It's been so long I didn't buy from this particular vendor. Until I'm gonna da abu bakin mu. Wallahi shine home training da mama na ta mu. Dena magana da abu da baki. My husband is calling me. Bye. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. My people, I'm here again. Na sake dawowa sharp kafin gudu. But today's cake just sent me this delivery, and I want to show it to you guys before I end today's video. So this is it. Should I taste it? Let's taste it. Ina ga ta manta ba ta samu spoon. Ko ta saka? Okay, ta saka ba ta manta ba. So let's taste it. Ina son yin sallah, so I just want to taste the cake. The spoon is so cute. You can feel it melting in your mouth. You can feel the chocolate. So guys, I don't know if you know about one TikToker like that. Then I got a kanta where I explain into a school. Like, number one, page in the Nagama and rubuta magana expulsion in da aka yi screenshot aka yi posting. The grammatical error that was in that post, they are supposed to start expelling the social media manager or whoever typed that rubbish before expelling that girl. School I expelling mutum, but why would they have to now bring her school life to social media? I am not understanding. I am not understanding. Why would they bring that to social media? Dan Allah, dan Annabi. When you expelling mutum sai ku zo ku posting on social media? What, you want to put the girl through depression or what? I don't know. I'm not understanding. Kuma kun san cewa this girl has already started making a name for herself. She has like couple thousand followers, and then sai ku zo ku posting abinta on social media? For what? Where kuma no in school? What are you teaching people exactly in that school? This is so annoying, honestly. Thank you for watching my video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.